11 must-have survival essentials from Amazon 2025. EcoFlow River Portable Power Station. In today's world, where we're more reliant than ever on electronic devices, the idea of losing power in an emergency situation is enough to send anyone into a panic. But that's where the EcoFlow River Portable Power Station comes in. This compact powerhouse allows you to keep your devices charged and your critical equipment running, whether you're camping in the wild, prepping for a power outage, or even in a survival scenario. The River boasts a massive 288-volt battery capacity, and it can charge everything from phones to laptops, small appliances, and even lights. What's impressive is its ability to charge in just about any environment. It can be recharged through solar panels, carports, or wall outlet. Catadin Hiker Pro Water Filter. In a survival situation, nothing is more critical than access to clean water. And that's where the Catadin Hiker Pro Water Filter becomes indispensable. This lightweight, durable filter removes harmful bacteria, protozoa, and other microorganisms from water sources, making it safe to drink. The Hiker Pro can filter up to 1 liter of water per minute, meaning it's quick, efficient, and easy to use on the go. You just find a water source, stream, river, or even a puddle, and in minutes you've got clean water to drink. But as great as this filter is, it's not without its limitations. The Catadin Hiker Pro is designed for clear, relatively clean water. If you're dealing with highly turbid, muddy water, the filter will clog more quickly, reducing its efficiency. It also doesn't eliminate viruses, so you may want to pair it with iodine tablets or UV sterilization for total protection. Ultimate Survival Technologies Blast Match Fire Starter. Let's talk about fire, the one skill that can literally make or break your survival situation. Whether you're cooking, staying warm, or signaling for help, fire is your best friend in the wild. The Ultimate Survival Technologies Blast Match Fire Starter makes starting a fire a breeze, even in the most adverse conditions. This innovative tool is designed to work in rain, snow, and wind, which are some of the most challenging conditions when it comes to building a fire. The Blast Match produces a spark up to 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 2,760 degrees Celsius. Hot enough to ignite your tinder and get a fire going, even when everything around you is wet. One of the key benefits is its one-handed operation, so you don't need to worry about fumbling with matches or lighters when you're in a tough spot. But let's not sugarcoat it, getting a fire started still requires the right preparation. Gerber Strongarm Fixed Blade Knife. If there's one tool that truly defines survival, it's the knife. The Gerber Strongarm Fixed Blade Knife is a no-nonsense, heavy-duty tool that delivers reliability and power when you need it most. With its 4.8-inch blade made from high-carbon steel, this knife is built for precision cutting, chopping, and even self-defense in extreme situations. The full-tang construction gives it impressive strength, making it capable of handling tough tasks like splitting wood, cutting through rope, or even preparing food. What really sets the Strongarm apart, though, is its ergonomic handle, designed to provide a secure grip even in wet conditions. The knife also comes with a MultiTool-compatible sheath, allowing for easy attachment to your gear, ensuring it's always within reach. But remember, this is a fixed blade, so it's more substantial and heavier than a folding knife. Tetan Sports Fahrenheit Sleeping Bag. When it comes to survival, staying warm is non-negotiable. The Tetan Sports Fahrenheit Sleeping Bag is designed to keep you cozy in temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit, -6 degrees Celsius, making it a great option for cold weather camping or survival situations. This sleeping bag is filled with a synthetic material that traps heat, while the double-layer construction ensures you stay warm even if the weather takes a sudden turn. The Tetan Sports Fahrenheit Sleeping Bag is spacious and comfortable, offering ample room for you to move around while you sleep. Plus, it's made with durable, water-resistant fabric that keeps you dry even in damp conditions. The bag's full-length draft tube and zipper baffle are designed to trap heat and prevent cold air from sneaking in, which is crucial when you're exposed to the elements. Leatherman Wave Plus MultiTool. When you're out in the wild, you never know what you might need to fix or adjust, and that's where the Leatherman Wave Plus MultiTool comes in. This compact, all-in-one tool includes 18 different functions, from pliers and wire cutters to knives, scissors, screwdrivers, and even a bottle opener. Whether you're repairing gear, preparing food, or dealing with unexpected problems, the Wave Plus has everything you need in one portable package. The knife blades are made from high-quality stainless steel, and the pliers have a spring-action design that makes them easy to use with one hand. But here's the thing, while the Wave Plus is incredibly versatile, it's not designed for heavy-duty tasks like chopping wood or cutting through thick ropes. It's a multi-tool, so it's meant for smaller jobs that require precision and convenience. Spot Gen 4 Satellite GPS Messenger. In a survival situation, being able to communicate with the outside world is essential, and the Spot Gen 4 Satellite GPS Messenger is the perfect way to stay connected, no matter where you are. This compact device allows you to send emergency SOS signals, check in with pre-programmed contacts, and share your GPS location anywhere in the world using satellite connectivity. The Spot Gen 4 works even in areas where traditional cell phone signals don't reach, making it an invaluable tool for remote adventures. It's lightweight, easy to use, and could be a lifesaver in an emergency. But there's one thing to keep in mind. The Spot Gen 4 requires a subscription for its satellite service, and while it's affordable, it's something to consider before you hit the trail. Goal Zero Yeti 500X Portable Power Station. Let's face it, the world runs on electricity. So what happens when you're in a survival situation and your gear runs out of juice? The Goal Zero Yeti 500X Portable Power Station is here to solve that problem. With a 505-volt lithium battery, this portable power station allows you to charge phones, laptops, lights, cameras, and even small appliances, all from a single device. It can be recharged via solar panels, wall outlets, or carports, making it incredibly versatile no matter where you are. It's also lightweight enough to take on the go, and it can even be paired with Goal Zero's solar panels to keep it charged in the wild. One thing to keep in mind is that while the Yeti 500X is perfect for most gear, it's not designed to power heavy-duty appliances for long periods. Adventure Medical Kits Mountain Series. When you're out in the wild, injuries can happen at any time, and it's important to be prepared with the right medical supplies. The Adventure Medical Kits Mountain Series is a comprehensive first aid kit designed specifically for outdoor adventurers. This kit contains everything you need to treat minor injuries and more serious wounds, from bandages and antiseptics to splints, tweezers, and even wilderness-specific medications. It's compact and organized, making it easy to find what you need in a hurry. However, while it's great for most situations, it's not a substitute for professional medical care, so if you're in a serious emergency, don't hesitate to seek help. But for everyday hiking, camping, or remote travel, this kit is a must-have. Paracord Planet Paracord. Paracord is one of the most versatile survival tools you can carry, and the Paracord Planet Paracord is one of the best options out there. This heavy-duty, multi-purpose cord can handle up to 550 pounds of weight, making it ideal for tasks like building shelters, securing gear, creating a tourniquet, or even making traps for food. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry, and it's an absolute must-have for any survival situation. The Paracord Planet Paracord comes in a variety of colors and lengths, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Just make sure to have a few feet of it on hand at all times. You never know when you'll need it. Lifeline 2780 First Aid Kit. Finally, let's talk about the Lifeline 2780 First Aid Kit. This kit has everything you need to handle basic medical emergencies while you're out in the wilderness. It includes bandages, antiseptics, burn cream, and even cold packs. Basically, everything you need to treat cuts, scrapes, sprains, and minor burns. It's compact, lightweight, and organized so you won't waste any time searching for the right tool in an emergency. While it's not designed for major medical crises, it's perfect for the everyday bumps and bruises that can occur during your outdoor adventures. So are you ready to gear up for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments which items you add to your survival kit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gear reviews and survival tips. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you next time.